Welcome to the channel. This is the easiest checklist app for daily tasks. So, first thing, download this application into your device. It will be available on all platforms like Google Play or App Store. And of course, just simply open the app. And right away, you should have here a very simple homepage. So now, from here, in order for you to do a checklist, you will just simply select the plus icon on the right side. And now from here, you can just simply provide a checklist right away. I'm going to go for voiceover, for example, and tap on add. I'm going to add more. Let's say I'm going to go for edit video, tap on add. And from here, you should have the to-do list right away. You can just simply select the three dots and you can delete it or edit it out. Or if you want to check it, you can just simply check the box and it will be gone automatically. So you will have here to do a category down below and the done task down below. And you will have the apps as well, which you will have multiple options over here by the creator of the app, and you could just go for the settings as well to have different settings on your application. Pretty much it is a simple app, and there you go. Thanks for watching.